Welcome back to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. It's June of 2021 and me and a few friends are heading out to BC on a road trip, starting off here in Montreal. Got the Kia here. Plan of the first day is to drive around 17 hours to Thunder Bay. Planning to arrive at our destination in BC in about 5 days time. So it's going to be an exciting road trip, probably lots of arguments, but also climbing mountains and seeing the ocean. Should be a great time. So we're going to send it. It's about 7 in the morning and we're just heading out of Montreal with the boys here, with Noah, Ricky, cheers, Denzer, cheers, and Milo there. We're doing a month-long road trip to BC.
And upwards.
Welcome back to the channel. We've been on the road for about 13 hours now. We're heading to Thunder Bay, Ontario. We left Montreal this morning at about 8 in the morning and we've just been on the road for 14 hours. So it's a 17-hour drive to Thunder Bay and just cutting out around half the drive in one day. Heading to the Rockies, heading to climb some nice mountains in BC, go to Tofino, see the ocean, all that stuff. So thanks for watching.
Yeah, watch the rocks, kind of slippery. This is nice though. It's a beautiful spot.
So Ricky, how's the long day in the car, you know? Like,
oh, she's pretty rough, bud. But
yeah,
getting there.
Yeah.
And, gonna get some good night's sleep tonight.
Foggy driving here on the way to Wawa, on the way to Thunder Bay still, past Lake Superior, Lake Huron.
Canadian Shield. That's what's really well. I can't see anything in the middle.
So we're in Wawa, Ontario. And I think this is the largest Canada goose in the world. It's dusk already, but hope you can appreciate that.
No, for where we were at. Wherever we were.
Oh, you done a China light? Oh no,
At some point on
this. My phone.
We're gonna be buying another thing, not too early, but
Yeah.
after breakfast.
Probably around like 11,
Yeah.
10.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, I guess
Get
so.
some sleep tonight, you know?
Wait, now how many hours? 14 hours?
Probably been driving for at least
16 hours.
We left around 7:30, 8 a.m. from Montreal this morning, and we've been driving 16 hours straight. So stopping to get some food now and then. A room in Thunder Bay, Ontario. We just spent the first night here. So the room has a couple queen-size beds here, but there was no fifth bed like they promised, so we ended up having to get them to bring up a little cot at almost 5 in the morning last night because it was super late that we got in. So anyways, it's about 11 now and we're just checking out and heading to Saskatoon or something.